اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے. جی نرسری, ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می. پہلا کلمہ طیب. طیب معنی پاک. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. ونس اگین نرسری. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. ترجمہ: اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں. Yes, nursery class, welcome once again in nursery. So teacher Faiza is here with you once again with the subject of math, and I want to tell you that today is our second lecture in nursery class, and in the second lecture we will do today counting from 6 to 10. So nursery class, let's do the counting with me. Yes, nursery class, are you ready to count the number with the teacher? So let's come and count the number with the teacher. Number 0, you are my hero. Number 1, let's have some fun. Number 2, what shall we do? Number 3, let the bird free. Number 4, let's eat some more. Number 5, let's go for a drive. Number 6, let me fix. Number 7, God lives in heaven. Number 8, let's close the gate. Number 9, are you fine? Number 10, Loin-house is den. G nursery class, now it's our bookwork time. Open your maths book nursery class, and today you will open page number 4. Okay nursery class, I have told you in the first lecture that here is the page number. Okay, you will open page number 4. Okay nursery, now come at the top of the page nursery class. We will write date here. So nursery class, what is date today? Today date is 3 dash 9 dash 2020. Okay nursery class, and in the middle of the page we will write C dot W. It means class work. Okay nursery class, now nursery class, you can see the elephants are already colored. I will tell you the story what happened to me, but first we will start our work. Here is number 2. We have to trace number 2. I have told you the formation of number 2. We will make a curve like this nursery class, and then make a sleepy line. Okay nursery, it makes number 2. Okay nursery class, so come, so see the animal nursery class, see the elephant nursery class. How many elephants are there? Yes, there are 2 elephants. Count nursery class. 1 2. Again nursery class, count. 1 2. Now nursery class, come to the tracing side. Here also dots, and we only have to trace. Nursery class, you need to trace a very good lines that no extra line come out, okay, like your teacher. Trace the whole tracing nursery class in the line, okay. Trace also this nursery class, done it like this, okay, and complete this nursery. See nursery class, I have done the tracing. Now I have to write the 2 on that dots. Put the finger on the dot that the book has given us, then put a pencil on the dot and then make a curve like your teacher and then make a sleepy line. Okay, it makes 2. Once again nursery class, hold the dot and make a curve like this and then make a sleepy line. Okay nursery? Then once again you hold the dot nursery class like this, make a curve and then a sleepy line. Okay nursery? You will write as neat as your teacher is doing and then finish the page and then come to me. I will also finish the page with you nursery class. Okay? Do it nursery. Now nursery class, see, I have done the whole page and you also have to do the full page like your teacher. Okay nursery class, now is the turn of coloring. Okay, I have told you what happened to me. Yesterday I make a video for you and it gets deleted. I don't know how, but then I again erase the whole work for you and make a new video. That's why the elephant was already colored. Okay nursery class, now you have to do a color in the elephant and the coloring should be very neat and clean. It should not come out of the line. Okay nursery, quickly do the color and then come to me. Now nursery class, I have finished the colors and my page is done. Now come to the next page nursery. Yes, we are on the next page. This is page number 5. You can see my finger. This is page number 5. And we will write here number 3. We will not write the date here because we already have write the date on this page. Okay, we will do 2 pages today. So nursery class, here are ducks. Now we will count how many ducks are here. Count with the teacher nursery class. 1, 2, 3. How many ducks are here nursery class? 3. Once again count with me. 1, 2 and 3. Okay nursery class. First we will trace the 3 over here. Okay. I have told you how to write the 3 nursery class. Make 2 curve and it will make number 3. Okay nursery class. Oh nursery, see the teacher tracing get wrong, so I will erase and will do once again. Like this and like this. Okay, ठीक है nursery. Okay nursery class, we have traced this. Now we have to trace this number. Okay, like this and like this. Okay nursery. Now we will trace the 3 like this. And like this. Okay nursery class, you trace the whole line and come to me then. You can see I have done the tracing in this line. Now I will write the number here. I will hold this dot with my pencil and make 2 curve. One curve like this and one curve like this. Once again you want to write nursery. One curve like this and one curve like this. Okay nursery. One more for you. And like this you will fill the whole page. Okay, nursery, quickly you and me fill the page and we will meet again. Now nursery class, look at the teacher page. I have finished my page, nursery class. You also do quickly. Now is the coloring time, nursery class. I have to color in the duck. Okay, nursery, let's start the color, nursery class. I told you enough time that coloring should be very neat and clean. See, teacher is not leaving any part. And nursery class, in this way you will color in the 3 pictures. Nursery class, I have finished the coloring and finished my work. You also do finish your classwork. These 2 pages are your classwork. Quickly finish these 2 pages and send me the pictures. Okay? Ji, Assalamu alaikum, nursery class once again. Now it's our board work time. In the first lecture, we did the counting from 0 to 5. Now it's our second lecture and we will do the counting from 6 to 10. Okay, I will write here 6 to 10. First, we discuss its formation, that how to write 6. In number 6 nursery class, we will make a one curve like this. Okay, nursery, and then we make another curve like this. It makes 6. You want to write again, nursery class? A curve like this and another curve like this. It makes number 6. Now we will erase number 6, nursery class, and we will write number 7. How will we write number 7, nursery class? First we make one sleepy line, nursery class, and one slanting line. It makes number 7. Once again you want to write, nursery class? See again, nursery. One sleepy line, nursery class, and one slanting line. Okay, nursery class? Now nursery class, turn of number 8. How will write 8? We will make curve like this and we will again join it with another curve and it makes 8. Okay, I can write it in another way, nursery class, like this. I can make an S like this, nursery, and we join another S. Okay, you want to write one more time, nursery class? Let's see. One curve, join another curve, makes 8. Okay, nursery. Now nursery class is turn of number 9. How you will make number 9? We will make one curve like this and make one standing line. It's very simple, nursery class. Yes, again we will make one curve like this, nursery class, and we will make one standing line. It makes number 9. The class is turn of number 10. It's number 10 is the most simple number, nursery class. We just draw a standing line like this. It makes 1 and we make a circle. We make a 0. This is 1, 0, 10. You want to make one more time, nursery class? It's okay. 1, 0. 1 0 makes 10. 1 0 10. Say it with me, nursery class. 1 0 10. Nursery class, it's counting time. Are you ready to count with me, nursery? Yes, very good. I will draw the balls and you will count with me. One ball, two ball, ball number 3, ball number 4, ball number 5, and ball number 6. Okay, nursery, count the ball with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balls are there, nursery class? 6. So what we will write here, nursery class? Number 6. One curve and other curve makes 6. Okay, nursery class? Now ready for the next number, nursery? I will erase 6. One more ball. Okay, nursery class, are you ready to count with me? I have told you enough time. The rule of counting is that you put finger on the object and you count slowly. Let's count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So nursery class, how many balls are there? 7. Excellent, nursery. You are doing very well. So how you will write? Class, we will write 7. One sleepy line and one slanting line makes 7. Are you ready for the next number, nursery class? So one more ball over here. Okay, nursery? Let's count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balls are there, nursery class? 8. Excellent. So what we will write here? We will write here number 8. How we write 8? A curve join another curve makes 8. Okay, nursery class? And I will draw one more ball. Nursery, are you counting with me? Please don't move. Okay? Now, count once again, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mobile.
Yes, count with the teacher, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, which number I will write over here, nursery class? Exactly right. Number 9. How we will write 9, nursery class? We will make a one curve and one standing line. Okay, nursery class? It makes number 9. Now, nursery class, can you tell me which number comes after number 9? Yes. Very good, nursery class. We will draw one more ball and count once again. Okay, nursery? Now, count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. How many balls are there? Very good. Here you go. Now, nursery class, I have drawn one activity for you. You know what is this, nursery class? It has two eyes. Body has parts. So what is this? This is caterpillar, nursery class. So what is this? This is caterpillar. Very good. And nursery class, you can see some number are missing. It means that we have to find out the missing numbers. Okay. Nursery class, please tell me what is this number? Yes, this is number 6. And what is the name of this number? Yes, this is number 8 and this is number 9. Superb, nursery class. So let's find out the missing number. Nursery class, what comes after 6? Please quickly think and tell me. Quickly. Yes. Number 7. What comes after 6, nursery class? Number 7. So let's start once again counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, nursery class. 6, 7, 8, 9. So nursery class, please quickly tell me which number is come after 9? Wow, very good. You know it. Yes, number 10. Very good, nursery class. You are a genius, nursery. You know each and everything. Clap for you. Very good. Yes, nursery class. Again, numbers. I know that you know a lot about numbers. Now, please, it's my request to repeat with me, nursery class. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I think we have revised enough, nursery class. Now open your classwork copies and get ready to do your classwork. Quickly, nursery. Okay, nursery class, ready for your classwork? Yes, I have told you how to write the date. Mama will not write the date, nursery class. You have to write it by yourself. Okay? You will follow your teacher and you will write it by yourself. So, what is date today? Yes, today date is 3. Again, nursery class. Today date is 3. Write down 3 on the line, nursery class. Please don't write up on the line or down the line. Okay, write on the line. Then 1 dash, nursery class. Now our new month is started and we will write here 9. What we will write here? 9. And 2020. Okay, nursery? And in the middle of the page, what we will write, nursery class? Yes, we will write class work. C dot W. Class work. Okay, nursery class? Now 2 finger space and write down 6 dash 10. Okay, nursery class? It also come on the line, nursery class. Look at this, all the things are on the same line. Okay? You will always follow the teacher pattern. Now come to the page, nursery class. This is your first block and we will write here number 6. I have told you how to write the 6. A curve, join the curve makes 6. A curve, Join the curves, make 6. Now nursery class, we will write in this line. Tell me. Yes. No, we will not write in this line. We will leave this block. Again nursery class, say it with me. Leave this block. Again. Yes. Leave this block. And put a finger in this block and write down in this block. Okay nursery class. Again. Will we write in this block nursery class? Yes, right. We will not write in this block. So say it with me nursery class. Say it with the teacher. Leave one block. Yes. Again nursery class, put a finger and say with me. Leave one block. And write down 6 here. Okay nursery class. Again, put a finger in the next block and write down number 6. So nursery class, put a finger and what we will say with the teacher? Yes, leave one block. Okay nursery class. Now come here again nursery class. We will leave this block, okay? Say it with the teacher. Leave one block. Again nursery class. Leave one block and write down 7. How we write 7? One sleepy line and one slanting line makes 7. Again nursery class, put a finger in this block and say with the teacher, leave one block and write down 7 here. Okay nursery class. In the next block, we again put the finger and say with the teacher, leave one block and write down 7. Okay nursery class. Very good nursery. You are doing very good. And please write down in a very neat and clean writing nursery class. And you will fill the whole line. Now nursery class, I have write in my full page, okay? You will also write in your full page. Now the next number nursery class, what comes after 7? Yes, excellent nursery, number 8. So we will put finger in the next block and say leave one block and write down 8 here. One S and second S makes 8. Okay nursery class? Your 8 should be like your teacher. In the next block, you will leave that block and say leave one block and write down 8 here. Very good nursery class. Now, in the next block, put a finger in this block and say leave one block and write down 8 here nursery class. And like this you will fill this line. Now nursery class, you can see my number 8 line is completed. I am moving to the next number. Can you please tell me what comes after 8? Yes, excellent. Number 9. What comes after 8 nursery class? Number 9. Okay. So in the next block, I will leave one block. How many blocks I will leave? Leave one block. And I will write here 9. One curve and one standing line makes 9. Okay, nursery class? Next, again I will say leave one block and write here 9. And you will write in the full line nursery class. Now nursery class, the 9 is complete in the page. Now the turn of the next number nursery class. What comes after 9 nursery? Yes, exactly right. Number 10. What comes after number 9? Number 10. So again I will put a finger in this block and say leave one block, and I will write here 1 and 0 here, 1 0 10. So what I have write here, nursery class? 1 0 10. Write 1 in one block and 0 and other block. Okay, nursery? Again, nursery, I want to tell you, please follow the teacher pattern, nursery class, and leave only one block. Don't leave more than one block, nursery class. Again, I will put finger in this block and I will write 1 0 10. Oh, what happened here? Okay. Next, nursery class, I will put finger in the next block and I will write 1 0 10. Okay, nursery class, please write in your full line. Now, nursery class, you can see I have done my full page, nursery class, and you also have to do as I do in the page. And nursery class, I just want to tell you that your homework is same as your classwork, but you only have to write HW instead of CW. Okay, and you will do the same work as you do in your class. One more thing, nursery class, you will do the homework on that page, not on that page, because inshallah we will do one activity and we will paste over here. Okay, nursery class, please. So try to write homework on that page and let's move to the activity. Class, I want to do one activity with you, maths activity. For this, you can take one A4 size sheet or computer sheet, whatever you want to take. Okay, I have write 1 to 10. Okay. Now, nursery class, what you have to do, I make a 0, then I make 2 small 0 like this, and 1 curve like this, and I make eyes. Okay, nursery class, make 10 in front of them. Okay, nursery, you and me both draw 0. Once again, look at this, nursery class, then 1 small 0, 1 more small 0, and then a curve, a small curve here. Okay, nursery, and draw in front of all of them. Okay, nursery class, see, I have draw all the faces. You know what we are going to draw? Okay, I will tell you, we are going to draw caterpillars. I have the yellow color. You can use different color, or if you have one color, you can do the activity. I am using this color. We can do this activity with one color only. If you have many colors, you can do the activity with many colors. Okay, so no need to worry about anything. I put a finger in it. Okay, nursery, I have put finger in it. Okay, and what is this number? Number 1. So we will make the only one part of this caterpillar in front of it. Okay, nursery. Now come to number 2. Okay, nursery. Now, nursery class, now I take the red color. I have many color, that is why I am using many colors. If you have one, I told you use only one color. Now it's number 2. I will make is 2 part, 1 and 2. Okay, nursery class. Come to number 3. Now, nursery class, you know what is this color? Yes, this is blue color. Now I am using blue color for number 3. So how many parts I will draw? Yes, 3 part. 1 finger, 2 finger, and 3 fingers. Okay, nursery class. Come to the number 4. Now, nursery class, I am using the white color on the white page. Let's see its color comes or not. So how many parts I will draw, nursery class, of caterpillar? Yes, 4. 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, and 4 fingers. Okay, nursery class?
Go.
Now, nursery class, I am using green color. Again, I will put only finger. You have to do it only on your finger. So how many parts we will draw? Yes, 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nursery class? Now come to the next number, nursery, which is number 6. Now, nursery class, I am using black color. So how many parts I will draw? Yes, 6. I will put 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, nursery? Come to the next number. Now, nursery class, next number is number 7. So how many parts I will draw in front of the 7? Yes, 7. I will draw 7 parts, fingers. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, 5 fingers, 6 and 7. Okay, nursery class? Now the next number is number 8. Come to number 8, nursery. Now, nursery class, number 8. So how many parts I will draw of caterpillar? Yes, 8. So ready with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It has less paint. Okay, nursery class. Come to the next number, which is number. So, nursery class, ready for number 9. So how many parts I will draw? Yes, 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, nursery.
Go.
Nursery class, ready for the next number? Yes, this is number 10. So how many parts I will draw? Yes, I will draw 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, nursery class. Now you have to make the caterpillar feet. Let's it dry, nursery class, for 30 minutes. Okay, when it dry, we will make its feet. And when it get dry, you have to paste it on your homework copy, not on your classwork copy. Got it, nursery? Class, my activity is dry after 30 minutes. Nursery class, you have to make feet. Make small one and then put a dot. Small one and put a dot. It's the feet of the caterpillar, like this. Okay? Make feet of every caterpillar, nursery class. Then your activity get finished. Okay, nursery class? Please send me the picture of your activity. Until then, Allah Hafiz. So, nursery class, here is the picture of our full activity. We have completed our activity. Now we will paste on our homework copy, nursery class. Now you can enjoy your story. Go and enjoy nursery. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Bye.